Welcome back, student, to the next class of web application development, and the topic is AngularJS. In the last class, in the last lecture, we have done the AngularJS introduction and we saw how to implement in the HTML. And today we are going to see some of the important things what the AngularJS has. Okay, so today's topic, the main objective of this, how to use the expression in the AngularJS, and we will see the directive. Already we saw the directive like ngapp, ngbind, so that also we will see again. And AngularJS numbers, how to add the numbers in the AngularJS, and how to bind the string in the AngularJS, and we will see the object and object also, how to bind in the object, how to bind the object in AngularJS, and we will see how to use the array also. So these are the points, uh, theoretical as well as the practical. I will show you. Uh, don't worry about this. So if you are going to see this video, so you must watch the previous video, because in the previous video I shown you how to uh, add the AngularJS and how to use the AngularJS. Okay, the preparation of development the AngularJS. So if you see the previous video, then this video you can easily understand. Okay, so the first one is expression. So in the expression here, we can see AngularJS expression are written inside the double braces. Okay, this is very important. Here, this one. Okay, AngularJS in the double braces means whenever you are writing any expression in the AngularJS, you must mention this flower brackets. In the two flower brackets you need to write, and AngularJS will output data exactly wherever the expression is written. Wherever the expression is written, directly the data or output or result, it will display on the same place. AngularJS expression bind AngularJS data to HTML the same way as a ngbind directive. AngularJS expression are much like JavaScript expression. They can contain literal operators and variables. Okay, so AngularJS, like in the second paragraph, if you see, like JavaScript expression and AngularJS expression can contain literal operators and variables. Unlike JavaScript expression, AngularJS expression can be written inside HTML. AngularJS expression do not support conditional loops and exception, while JavaScript expression do. Okay, so AngularJS expression has a limitation. If you go to the JavaScript, then you have a more, it will support like loop, conditional, exceptions. Okay, and like this is an expression. Okay, and whatever the output of this, it will display on the same place. Like 5 plus 5 means the output, it will display on the 10. First name and last name means it will combine first name and last name, and it will display exactly where the data is there. Okay, so I will show you simple example. Okay, first one, what is the document type? My document type is HTML, and here in the HTML tag I am using the scripting language. As I shown you how to copy and how to download this angular.min.js, so that link you have to give here. Okay, and the main important thing is, wherever you are saving this file angular.min.js, at the same folder only you need to save the HTML file, then only this JavaScript file will work. Okay, as I told you in the previous lecture. Next, body. Whatever you are going to write in the body, that is a display. Whatever you are going to write in the body part, that will be display. So the first thing, directory ng app, this is very important. If you did not use ng app, then it will, this is a directory and this is very important directory. After that only, how, why it is using to linking the HTML and JavaScript together. Sorry, AngularJS and HTML, it will combine or interface, or it will give the link. We can say it will give the link also. So what is the first? Name. I am writing the paragraph tag, opening tag, input type, text, ng model name. Whatever you are going to write in the text box, that will store here. Expression name. So whatever this name is there, this one, ng model name, this will be stored here. If I am writing anything here, it will store here. So already I have written this piece of code in my VS Code. Okay, first, okay, so this is the code. Document type HTML, same thing, ng app, and name type is text, model is ng model is name, and the name is displaying. So how the data is displaying? First you need to write this in the program, okay, and save the file. So I save the file with one.html. Where did I save? I save in the folder, and in the same folder I save this angular.min JavaScript file. Okay, so the first file I am opening. Okay, so when I open, you can see here one box is here. Whatever you are going to write here, that will display in the bottom. Web application development. Can you see? Whatever you are going to write in this text box, that is displaying in the paragraph tag, as we have mentioned here. Okay, this is input tag. Whatever the data is inside this, whatever you are writing, that will be displayed here. Okay, clear about this? This is a simple one, but it will helpful. Okay, hi, hello. Whatever you are going to write, that will be displayed at the bottom. ISL. Clear? So this is the first program. And what is the first program in the first objective? AngularJS expression. How to use the AngularJS expression, I just shown you. Okay, fine. So you can write expression wherever you like. AngularJS will simply resolve the expression and return the result. Whatever the expression will be there, that will be solved and display the result. Okay, now let's AngularJS the second example. Okay, the second one is AngularJS changing the value of CSS property. That means, example, here it is same, the change of data will be here. So here what it is, they change the value of the input field. Okay, and div ng app ng init initial nothing, and my call is light blue. Okay, I am writing the color name light blue. So with the help of this is all div. Okay, in the div what we are doing, initially my color is light blue. Next, input style is equals to input style is equals to background color. Background color is my color, ng model is my color. So what I am doing now, whatever the data is here, okay, my column, I am giving ng model, taking the ng model, and from this my column here, whatever the color name you are going to write, that will change the background color. What is a normally CSS code style? Style style is equals to background color background color colon background color colon is red. Normally we will write like this. Okay, in place of this red, whatever the color I want here. Okay, did you get my point? So here what actually is doing means, whatever the color of the text box do you want to change, just you write the name and you will get the color name. So go back to here, second program, already I have written here. What is the same thing is here, change the value of the input field, ng app, ng init. It is first what the color it will display, light blue. Okay, and ng model, this it will get the data here. So let's go and check the second one. So this is my second one. Okay, by default it is written here light blue and the color of the text box is light blue. Now I am changing the color, AQUA, aqua. Automatically it is changing. When I am writing this with the help of ng app, it is linking to the angularJS, and that aqua color is returning here with the help of angularJS. Okay, next, whatever the color do you want to write, you can write here, red, maroon, pink, blue, any color you can write. Aqua. So whatever the color is there, that is changing the text box. If you want to change the background color of our whole page, that also you can do by simply selecting the color. Okay, so that is a simple example for the second one. Is first one we finish, second one is directory. With the help of ngbind, ng model, we are getting the data with the help of ng model. Okay, and this is init, also one of the directory. If ng app is a directory, okay, we are getting the data. Next, so this is a finish. Okay, next, so this is also an expression example only, second one also expression example, how we can use the expression as well. Next, AngularJS directory are extended HTML attributes with the prefix ng dash. So whatever the directory is there, if it is ng dash app, init, bind, model, then that is a directory. Initialize an AngularJS application. The ng init directory initialize application data. The ng model directory bind the value of HTML controls input select text area to application data. So whatever the application, whatever the we use here, ng init, ng app, ng model, that is defining here. Ng app is a directive initializing an AngularJS application. Init, what init is doing, initializing application data. What model is doing, it is binding the value of HTML controls to application data. Okay, so this is a directive. Next one is AngularJS number, how to write the numbers, how to do the calculation. So now what I am doing, number multiplication using ngbind. So with the help of ngbind I am multiplying the things. So this is the same, it will not change. div ngapp, what it is doing with the help of ngapp, what it will do, with the help of ngapp directive initialize an AngularJS application. Okay, initializing the AngularJS application. ng init is initializing application data. Next, quantity and cost. I am using two things are here. Sorry, two attributes I am using. One is quantity, another one is cost. So here what I am doing means multiplying quantity multiply by cost. So total in dollar, whatever the total of this, that will be in dollar. Okay, and this is open span, you can use the span. ngbind is equals to quantity multiply by cost. Okay, quantity multiply by cost. So what will be the answer, it will be display here. Quantity, what is the quantity here, 3. What is the cost, multiply by 5. So what is the answer, 3 5s are 15. The answer you will get on the screen is 15. Okay, let's go, and already I have written that program, third one. Okay, ng app total dollar. So just go and watch the third one. When you go here, yes, so in the third one, can you see here, total in dollar is 15. Okay, if I change the value here, in place of this, if I write 4, what will be the total, 4 5s are 20. I am saving the file, go back here and do refresh. Sorry, do refresh, 20. Okay, so this is about the, with the help of ngbind on expression you can do this. Okay, so this is the example with the help of ngbind. Okay, with the help of ngbind also we can do the calculation. With the help of expression also we can get the result with the help of expression or ngbind. Okay, next, or the above can be written normally like this with the help of expression, same thing, but here using the expression, and here it is using bind, ng bind. Okay, it is ng bind and this is expression. Next, angular JS string. So here this is an important code. Okay, in the whole angular JS program, this is the technique. What div ng app is ng init. Okay, first name is ABC, last name XYZ. Now I want whatever the name is here, I want to display here. The name is first name and last name. Okay, this we will see in the practical way with the help of expression. Here we are doing with the help of expression, and here the same thing you can use the bind, ng bind. Okay, so let's go here and check. Already I have written the code for fourth one. Nothing we need to do, just simply this one. If you want to write any kind of text, you can write it. So ng app, ng init, first name abcd abc xyz. So let's go and open the fourth one. So this is the fourth one. What is the answer here? The name is abcxyz. So whatever you are going to write here, abc, okay, we can write Pathan Ahmed, and my last name is Khan. I am saving this file and go back and do refresh here. Full name Pathan Ahmed Khan. So whatever you are going to do here, that will reflect in the browser. Okay, that will reflect in the browser. So this is about the string, how the string will be work. Okay, the next is go to the object. Okay, now we have in the object. So here how many we completed? We completed the number as well as we completed the string. Now the two things are there, object and array. So here directory ng app is ng init, person, first name is abc, last name xyz. Okay, same thing, a first name, last name, same thing, but what it is doing, it is writing in the flower bracket, and I am giving the person. We are creating one object, person. Okay, this is object. I am creating person object and I am adding first name and last name in the person. Now the name is whatever. If you create, what is the advantage of the object is, if you create the object, whatever you want you will get with the help of object. So I just want the last name, whatever the last name is there, I want that only last name. You can use the expression or you can use the ng bind technique. Okay, already for this also I have written here, and I use the ng bind person dot last name. Okay, so here when I go back and just open the fifth one, see, name is abc. How I am getting abc? What is my last name? Last name is abc. If I change last name is Ahmed, okay, and I save the file, go back and do the refresh, Ahmed. Are you getting my point? So this is very simple technique, very low burden on the browser, and it will work fast. Okay, so whatever you are going to write here, that will display. Last name is Ahmed, person dot last name. If you want the first name, you can write here person dot first name, then you will get the first name. Okay, this is a main part for function. And one more thing, Don't try, don't create more ng app in one application, one page. Okay, so this is the name is span ng bind person dot last name. Okay, so we will get the result last name. The next one is angularJS array, last topic. Okay, object is finished, angularJS is also going to finish. So what is this? Div ng app ng init points is equals to, as you have learned in the C++, the array will be defined in the square bracket. Here also the same thing in the square bracket. Whatever the numbers you want to write, you can write here 1 5 3 2 1. Okay, so already I have given it is 1 15 19 to 40. Okay, and the third result is, means here what is the third result, what the answer should become. And as you know, array start with 0, array start with 0. So what is this? 0 1 2 3 4. So if I want the third place, so I need to write 1 2 3, means third means 2. So I need to write 2. Okay, with the help of expression also you will get the data, or with the help of ng bind also we will get the data. Okay, so this is a go and see the program. Here the sixth one, ng app ng init, and the points already I have given 1 15 19 20 sorry 2 40. So if I am asking for it 2 second point, the result of the third result is 19. So let's check it out what the result it will display here. Can you see? The result is 19. Okay, why it is 19? At the third place 19 is there. If I write here 3, if I write here 3, what value displays? 0 1 2 3. 3 means it will be fourth result. Okay, fourth result. Just save the file, go back and do the refresh. If I refresh here, what will be the result? What will be the result? 0 1 2 3, means at the third point my result will be 2. If I do refresh here, the result will be 2. Fourth result is 2. Clear? So like this we can use the array and we will get the data from the array. Okay, and this is the last topic. So what we have done today, just we completed AngularJS expression, AngularJS directive, AngularJS numbers, AngularJS string, AngularJS objects, AngularJS array. Okay, so in the next class we are going to see the JS modules and controller. Okay, thank you very much. We'll see you in the next class.